Yeah. Feel free to nod along with it. What rhymes with carbon removal day? Yo, carbon removal day, it's time to rejuvenate. Heat trapping pollution that fossil fuels make. Got the air miners in the house moving weight. Jubilate, hey, happy carbon removal day. Carbon removal day, make moves, innovate. Every ton of carbon from the atmosphere you can take. Air miners in the house moving weight. Humans are super great, so happy carbon removal day. Moving weight, baby, yeah, ton by ton. We've done it before, take it from Jack Sullivan. Let's get engineering right so it functions. We have to scale it faster than the semiconductors, cause a bad attitude on climate is lousy. Get the mood shift from Tito Jankowski. And yo, the market just doesn't buy enough. That's why Tito started the AirMiners Buyers Club. Only so much carbon that the air can carry. Get the carbonated propane from Hamad Haderi. Mass reforestation is ready to bury hella carbon with Mast and Grand Canary. With the fire-killed trees, the biochar's coming. AirMiners, yo, yeah, they're starting something. Plus Hamed's got that propane pumping. CDR's getting that ARPA funding, and that's just crazy. Yo, it happens daily. Biochar gets captured by Catherine Daly. Carbon capture, baby, she's got 100 tons. Everyone in the UK help her bury some in the local habitat. We'd love to have her back, building capacity with Adina Mankubat on the AirMiners team. Carbon removal day, and yeah, Adina's got big announcements on the way. So AirMiners, yo, big up yourself. Get the methodologies from Isabel Spiegel. Carbon removal gets the dollars and the euros. Diving into ocean carbon with Puro. That's how we do it. Every capture device, including rock weathering with Zachary Price. If we scale it up right, then we'll all be fine. Yo, Zach's got a project at an olivine mine. So happy carbon removal day. Time to rejuvenate. Heat trapping pollution that fossil fuels make. Got the air miners in the house moving weight. Jubilate, hey, happy carbon removal day. Carbon removal day, make moves, innovate. Every ton of carbon from the atmosphere you can take. Air miners in the house moving weight. Yeah, humans are super great. Happy carbon removal day. Moving weight, baby, both wide and deep. Planting mangroves with Sergey Ivleave. Hook up the carbon tons to my IV as it gets soaked up in every live leaf. Like holy moly, all the homies know me in the AirMiners crew. Take it from Toby Obi, from Nigeria to the Gobi. He's got the flavor. Toby Obi's my personal CO2 savior. Work with the angles as much as we can handle. Every gamble makes it happen. Ask Paul Gamble. Shout out to Nori for that hip-hop business. CDR, it's inevitable and obvious, and this is how we show and prove. On the move, there's a lot of carbon up in the air to remove from India to Africa. Working with my man Mateus Maraglia. Make it happen with the help of a neighbor. It's good to get together, right? Take it from Grant Faber. When the challenges are major, give up we can't. Look to Canada with Naeem Merchant. And the carbon console removal is real. Naeem got it working thanks to Katie O'Neill. She stepped in to help him with the wicked hurdles, like April O'Neil from the Ninja Turtles. I'm just kicking those flames, yeah, I'm taking those names. It is agri-tech style, I'm chilling with Joe James. Telling stories all day with the chill rapping, like my man with the videos. That's Bill Aston, that's the way we make it happen, y'all. So let the green tide flow in with Angus Shaw. Yes, y'all, I'm a non-linear hip-hopper, planting super crops with Francis Adelaja. It is all about community and building scenes. Marine decarbonization with Valentine. From 25 to 26, let's make the year good. Check the COP Pavilion with Chris Sherwood, like the Sherwood Forest, the Sheriff of Nottingham. I'm just here to put it in a hip-hop jam. The current climate situation will not stand, so shout out to all of y'all for your carbon plans. Like carbon removal day, it's time to rejuvenate. Heat trapping pollution that fossil fuels make. Got the air miners in the house moving weight, so jubilate. Hey, happy carbon removal day. Carbon removal day, make moves, innovate. Take every ton of carbon from the atmosphere that you can take. Air miners in the house moving weight. Yo, the humans are great, so hey, happy carbon removal day. Say it loud to each other. Happy carbon removal day. Hey, happy carbon removal day. Happy carbon removal day. Woo, woo.
amazing. Thank you, Bob. Happy
That was
Carbon
great.
Removal Day, everybody.
Wow.